Okay, now we're looking at Tesla now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Mm.
this is a follow-up video to Tesla 2 weeks ago video. Okay, today is 29 August. The time is around 10:50 p.m. Singapore time, or US market 10:50 a.m. New York time. Today we are looking to follow up video on regarding Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Let me give a fast history. Tesla recently, okay, have a nice earnings. The earnings was announced on August the 1st after the market close. Okay, after the market close, you see on the 2nd of August, the thing from a price of $1 from $300 shot up to a high of $350. Okay, then then afterwards the market goes sideways as the buyers and investors and buyers, sellers and buyers settle down to take profit. Then on the 8th, on 7th of August, our famous Mr. Musk, the CEO, 20% shareholder, and what we call the godfather of Tesla, not godfather, the CEO of Tesla, okay, has Twitter announcement that he have secured fund. He intend to take Tesla private at $420. He have secured shareholders board of directors approval. He have also secured the funding, the investor to buy it at $420. So for the day itself, you can shoot from the day itself. Opening bell is 344, shoot up to the high of 387 dollars before ending that. Then after that on the 8th of August and 9th of August, there was massive confusion when the actual board of directors and the news come out that Mr. Moss may have given out false information. Since the announcement, what happened is you see the price keep on going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. Okay, and in order to give a substance to the what we discussed, we will do a we will sorry, let me see first. We will see the what's it called, the newspaper article as it happens. Okay, let's start with the oldest one first. Oldest one here. Okay, stumble sales shares 4%. Okay, all these are not interested to us. We're interested in Tesla for tonight. Okay, Tesla. Okay, Tesla is here. After announcement here on the 14th of August, the Stocks Exchange Commission have many questions for Tesla, and Mr. Musk said expert, because he said what, no, he post on he tweet his proposal on the 7th, explained that he already secured funding. Okay, secured funding and secured board, see lah, clarification, funding secured for takeover private transaction. Okay, then you see the Saudi Arabia sovereign fund is doing it. Okay, okay, Saudi Arabia fund is doing it, is funding it. Okay, now it's asking a lot of questions. The board of directors have no idea. So now is there a potential transaction? Yes, all good. But Mr. Smart, Mr. Musk here is what, blowing smoke. Means that trying to cause panic to the market. Tesla, if you do not know, is one of the most heavily shorted stocks in America. It's so heavily shorted that even you want to do day trading for 500 shares or 100 shares, some quite often you cannot even short the shares. Even one short 200 shares also cannot short, because it's all short. The institution and the big boys hedge fund has shut the stocks until that even my students want to short it at 1 200 shares level, impossible to find it done. Okay, so the question is that this is intended to take forward and think that, and the board of directors, okay, acknowledge the assumption, but it's not confirmed, it's not signed, it's not going to think about it. But anyway, this is something that is not is actually what create first doubt. Then few days later, okay, then on the 19th, Mr. Mas try to tell the market you have a very bad year. Okay, emotionally, financial, emotionally, psychologically, very excruciating year, blah blah blah. Okay, and on 19th, on the 18th, 19th, see the price here? On the 18th, 18, see the price here? One nice gap up here because Mr. Ma said he have a excruciating year. Thomas, but cannot be the company should be able to perform Nope. Tesla is not a functioning profitable company like General Electric or Ford or Apple or even Walmart. Tesla is one of those I say what you call hype companies that primary price is based on sentiments and future projection. Basically, the market worship Mr. Mas here, so-called retail market. That's why everything he said got big move. Yeah, he said Twitter come out by Mr. Mas, the divine CEO. Shut up. See on this day itself, give interview. Wow, have a bad emotional year, but excruciating year. The thing collapsed down. Okay. Now, then a few days. Wait, give a minute. Okay, our friend Mr. Keith forgot. Okay, then let's see what the latest one have now. Then we have here Sing. Then the latest news now, Mr. Ma said, okay, on 26. Okay, sorry, wait, this one first. On the, where is it, investing Tesla? Where is it? On the 26th, he said something. Let me see first. On the 26th, he said, okay, he changed his mind. Okay, 26. On the 26th, he changed his, wait, sorry. Yeah, Mr. Mas has said he changed his mind. So he said after talking to shareholders, talking to investor interested, now he said he changed his stories. He said, nah, no, he will, Miss Tesla will remain a public company, and Mr. Mas will run it. Okay, if not, he said if this Mr. Mas decides I want to resign, I want to let go, the company will tank on the spot because Tesla has no fundamentals as per se. Every quarterly for don't know how many for the longest time, okay, Tesla have been declared losses. Okay, you see now. So it keep on changing. This guy is very what we call mouth in a layman term called loose cannon. He like to talk, he like to say things and then do things later. Okay, primarily by the way, Tesla, the board of directors, you can say is controlled by Mr. Mas. This company, the board of directors is not independent because as you can see from here, as you can see the reports, he control the biggest shareholders and he's definitely controlling everything. Okay, so let's look at the chart patterns now to continue our discussion. So now you can see one here, come here, then on the 26th, correct? On the 26th here, sector of 26 here, open the market here, 26 here, 25, 24. You see on 27, Monday, the bulls and the bears fighting out. But overall, it's still a negative sign. Why? Can you see the long tail here or not? Should you remember negative sign? Yes, it stay on top, but it's still a bearish. Ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor. You see here the green color here one. Do not mean it's bullish. In fact, it's bearish. How I know bearish? This is the yesterday closing price. Okay? On the 24th Friday night, closing price is $322 around on 2020. Then you can see as bullish candle, correct? Wrong. What you can see? What's the closing price here? The closing price for this bullish candle here, so-called bullish green candle here, is $318. Means the Friday market closing price is 2322 or 323, and and Monday closing price is 318. So you do not see it's green color, therefore it's a bullish candle. Okay, the system registered opening price and closing price. To me, opening price and closing price is not important. To be to tell bull or bears, you must compare it to the previous closing price, candle price. Previous closing price was $322. The next candle after the announcement that he changed his mind, he's not taking private, etc., etc. The closing price is $318. So a price drop of $4. Since then, the price is still dropping now. Okay, so now as far as I see, this company, okay, is what we call a sentiment-driven company, driven by Mr. Tesla, Mr. Musk himself. Okay, so to me there is a potential. This is potential what we call an intra-week or intra-month short-term trading. Do not buy. This company cannot buy more than 90-day cycle for options. Primary reason why, because every time this company, Mr. Tesla, every time come out, you see now, got gaps. See now, one gap here, another gap there, another gap here. You can see here, wow, big candle bars here, two big candle bars here from $350 drop down to $290, I think. Okay, $295, I think. So I have $50-60 in 2 days. Any questions so far? Any question? Okay, so now for us to continue a trade trade. So the current trades we have for inside all the bearish trades. Yes, we are making money. Okay, how much? After win lose covering losses and things, we are still in covering now. We're still in the 4 figures for the range. Consider the fact that our entry capital cost is below $1,000. We are doing quite nicely. So tip, if you want to do a Tesla trade, what's the budget for Tesla trade if you want to do a Tesla trade? Okay. 250 is a bare minimum for Tesla trade. And 250 you only can do short-term, very short-term trade, intra-week, intra-month trade or less. Why, Thomas? Why can I not do a 250 spreads for January 2020? No, you cannot. Let's say now for discussion purpose, you want to do the 16th of November directional trade, 79 days away. Look at the spread difference. Okay, let's say you want to do a money bearish spread. You see, one put will cost you $3,900, $3,090. So even you want to buy a vertical spread, it will cost you $2.15. Okay, the maximum reward for this trade is $2.83, which is not too bad. A return of about 130% return over here. Anyway, for trading purpose, I like to do shorter term. Are you aggressive? How aggressive are you? Tip. Okay, if you look at trade here, look at it. One, you can, because buying a straight call, buy a straight put for Tesla is totally out. Yes, the option pricing is for option pricing is reasonable fair value. Thomas, how can you say it's reasonable fair value? 20 September 21st is $14 so expensive $14 is very expensive options. Is what you call high IV. Nonsense. This is not high IV, my friend. How I know? It's very straightforward. Okay, it's very straightforward. Look at here. According to my price action value now, per day is $13, and per week is $39. So price action value per day, okay, is $13, and per week is $39. So Thomas, it's too expensive. No, nope, stop it. That means only my price action value of $13.05 means based on the X number of days, the price action range is approximately $13 per day. So Thomas, why you say the option is reasonable price? If you look at carefully, for 23 days, it only cost you $14.50 only $1.50 more The price action value is per day The option the 14.50 options is for 23 days So it's considered reasonably priced. Okay, next. So now you can do the following things. One, you can buy a bull put spread. Okay, sorry. No, the bear put spread. Buy a bear put spread. It will cost you $1 over here. Buy at the money, as long by on the 7th of September, next Friday night. Okay, it's drop below 305. You how much money you make? You make $150 for your $100 risk. Return over risk. Return is profit $150. Maximum loss is $1. Okay, so as long it move as long it move about $253 down, you should able to make your money. Sorry, I'll take it back. You as long it's dropped by three over dollars. Yes, as long as it's dropped by $3 over. I'll check first. 308 drop down to 305. If drop down by $3 over, you able to take money. Why? Because both legs are in the money. And daily price action value is $13. Okay? Any question, tip, and anybody else? So this is a tactical trading. Thomas, I want to buy long term. I want to buy so I can make 1000% return. I said do not do that, please, because this company is a highly volatile company. Okay, it depends on what Mr. Musk said one. It's very dependent on Mr. Musk, because as far as I see, Mr. Musk is a CEO with what we call halo effect. Means that he cannot do any wrong. Okay, despite the fact that this company is one of the most shortest stocks in America, you can see now, this price do not have not even is actually the price is actually in a sideways market. Let me show you something so you understand better. We look at the last 3-year pricing. You can see now. You can see last 3-year pricing, the low is $141. Go up, slightly go sideways market. Hit the high somewhere. The all-time high is $389.61. This one is on 18 June. 18 September 1917. Since then, it's going sideways. Okay. Then thanks to the Twitter by Mr. Musk, he almost test the all-time high during the Twitter cycle. Since then, it's going down sideways. As far as I see, based on this weekly candle scenarios, the market price is good until this level. about 285 level. Okay, it's good until 285. Okay, it will stay flip there 285. Pending pending no other bad news or good news. Okay, 285 here. Okay, around here somewhere. Okay. So if you go and buy a debit spread now, okay, buy a debit spread at 3075 put and buy a 305 put, you can take $1 back. Thomas, why don't I buy 1 month? Fine. Let's say I want to buy 1 month, 30 days away, correct? So we find 30 days away. If you go buy a 3 first, if you buy 1 month, okay, nothing wrong with it. You need more money. Why more money? Straightforward. Because you see at 30 days, all the strike price is actually into $5. Thomas, since Tesla is so illiquid, it should be 50 cents. No. The market is $5 is because that at 30 days level, there is no enough buying interest. Don't say at 50 cents, don't say at $1. There is not enough buying interest at 30 days, or even at 23 days, okay, don't have enough buying interest at 30 days, to have 250 strikes. But look carefully. Next, on the 23rd, on the 21st of September, 250 strikes. Okay, Thomas, why don't do 19 October? Should have. Look at 19 October here, 51 days away. Don't have. So means what? This business series is very simply telling you the biggest activities for buying and selling options for Tesla is about less than 3 weeks, about 2 weeks plus, 3 weeks plus. Yeah, 23 days got 250 strikes. So you do not go and buy this type of thing. Okay. So Thomas, why do I use 21 days? Fine. If you go to 21 days, you see, 21 days and 28 days is almost, wait, sorry, I take it back. I need to take 21 days, correct? 20 days right here, buy one, add the money, fiscal cost spread. Let me delete the $5 spreads away. You see, Thomas, what you see, you see the days, exactly, wait, let me do exactly all the same price, 370, I need to adjust it because the market has dropped. While we're discussing, market have dropped $3 downwards. Okay, now it's $3.15, $3, so fluctuating. You see the price here? This Friday night, $3.15. Next Friday, $1. $1.05. You see, there's no much substantial price difference. Thomas, 95 cents. Wherever it is, the profitably 10 cents, 15 cents different, do not make much difference to us. Because our profitability is limited to the 250 spreads. If you buy a 105, maximum profit is 145. Okay? Any questions? So as far as I see, there's no inherent advantage doing longer term. 95 cents, 103, 103 and 104, whatever it is, come. Personally, if I were want to do this class, I would suggest you go buy in the money spreads. In the money spreads, say Thomas, time decay how? In the money spreads, anything you sell anything you buy in the money, time decay is positive. Anything you sell in the money, time decay is negative. Okay? So you can do this trade long. You can, if more adventurous making, you can do this one, provided you are on hand this Friday night to monitor your trade. If this Friday night not free, I suggest you to do next Friday night. Because whatever you do for this trade is a debit trade. You cannot hold and forget. This one is an active trading option style. That's the reason why you can make every trade can make 100% return. Okay? Even $1.20 here, the most expensive options, right click here. Profit is $130. Okay, maximum loss is 120. For those people, Thomas, who think long-term bearish, okay, there's nothing wrong with it, but you know, do a long-term bearish trade, it's going to be very expensive. Let's say now you want to do a trade until January 2019. Okay, January 2019 here. Okay, here. It will cost you how much? Buy a single call will cost you approximately $3,825. Around there. There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong with $3,825. Thomas, it's better. Why don't buy shares better? First, if you buy shares, 100 shares will cost you how much? Will cost you a nice total of $30,000. Okay, $30,000. And before you're too happy, always look at the price action value. 1 week price action value can have the price action value of $33.90. Okay, make it $39. Make it $39. Okay, $39 means what? In 1 week, one bad week, you can lose more than the option and the option price you pay for it. You see, Thomas, this one, what's so good? No, it's expensive. No, the weekly price action value is $39. The option you're buying now is what? 18 January 19, 18 January of 2019. 143 days, 142 days away. And 1 day can move, 1 week can move $39. So this price, if you really want to buy a straight put, want to buy a straight directional trade, do not short the shares, please just simply buy a put. The put of a price for a trade for 142 days to expiry, you just simply pay 1 week price action value. I think it's quite reasonable. Okay, it's quite reasonable. Any questions regarding price action value or not? After all, the trade is 142 days away. So off the cuff, we are looking at almost, basically, 1 month is 30 days, is 4 months plus. Yes, you can do bear call spread. Good question. Asking where to do bear call spread. Okay, let's ignore the higher time frame, and let's say we do a shorter time frame. Bear call spread for September, 7th of September, 9 days away. You see, look carefully. You see, Thomas, I make $120. Great. Yeah, stop it. Buy at the money put spread will cost you, okay, $1. Wait, let me check the latest price. It's cost you $1.03, maximum profit of $147 here. Okay, if you sign a bear call spread and the money bear call spread for same expiry of 7th of September, you make how much? You make $120, but you lose 130. Means what? Ask yourself, which one better? Which one have highest return over risk? You want to risk $1 and $1.05, or you want to risk $1.30. Okay? For company like Tesla, it's best to buy because only to the fierce directionality you have. Sorry, fierce price action you have means what we call substantial movement range. So now you understand why you must be a thinking trader. Okay? Tip, you are my coaching student. So you must think, should I buy $1? $1.05, no, sorry, now $1.08, or should I go and risk $130? Thomas, I take two. Not which one better one? Actually, two of them got good and bad. Okay, but if let's say now if you got a budget, Thomas, my budget is $500 for this trade. Very simple. Okay, buy one, sell one. Cannot. Can you not sell a bear call spread and buy a bull put spread here? No, sorry. Sell a bear call spread and buy a bear put spread here. And you understand what I'm saying now? So can you do two lah? Yes, you can. So if you have the budget, literally have the if you literally have the budget, you can do 2 or 3 variations of it. That my your job now as a trading start trading now is to do as small trade as possible. That's why I notice all trade is all sub $250. Okay, $100 plus, $100 plus minus. Why? It's because I want you to practice as many trades as possible you can. If you got budget of $500, can you not buy buy for $1.03 and another sell for credit for $1 and $1.02, so that if the event the thing do not move a single point at all, you still can make some money. Okay, in the event in the event you are totally right, the thing collapse down, you even make more money. Okay, if you have bought a debit put spread for $1, okay, $1.03, and you have sold a vertical bear cost at the money bear cost of $1.20, your maximum profitability is 200 and okay, much is sorry, I take it back, $267. Okay, why? If the thing drop down, your bear cost spec expire worthless. So you collect $1.20, correct? $100. Then if the thing drop down to 205, 305 and below, your debit spread become in the money now. In the money, how much I make? In the money now in the money you make 250, but since you already sold 120 and you pay $1 here, the 250 you make is 100% pure profit. Plus because you sell for 120, correct? You buy $1, correct? So you collect extra 20 cents credit. So your 20 cents credit plus 250 debit trade. So $2.70. Understand this question? Any question more? For now, you just practice what you're comfortable with. The best one you do is to do as cheap as possible. So that actually, if you find there's nothing wrong with between a credit spread, a directional credit spread, a directional debit spread, there's no difference. What the difference is based on what is the current option pricing. Then from there, analyze it. Now, as you can see from here, if you go and buy a debit spread, it's $1. If you go and sell a credit spread, it will cost you it's a period. It will cost you $1.30 in losses. Sorry, it will cost you lose more money. Correct, 120. Your profit is 122. Your maximum loss is 128. So more importantly, we have to be thinking trader. Okay. So first and foremost, it's not the strategy one choose. Is how much is your risk or your debit. Then from there, you choose a cheaper one so you can practice the art and the skill of trading. To be good, you need to practice and more practice and more practice. Your job is not to find the best trade and put all your money inside. Never have this mindset. I find the best trade, I put all my money inside, therefore I'll make money. In financial market, there is no such thing as best trade. It may be the best trade now, but it will not be a best trade 5 minutes later or 5 hours later, 5 days later. Okay? We do not know the market, we respect the market, so we don't try to look for the best trade. We find what we call okay, good trades for us to trade. Now, if no more questions, let's ask any short Tesla webinar. Last call for question.